Janesville being on top of the game again.
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin.
Actually, we might get smacked.
And to 25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stoughton to near Albany to near Monticello, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Broadhead, Orchardville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Dayton, Hanover, Attica, Judah, and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greene